Hello everyone, it's Tilly from Tilly Journals and I am here with my Simply Gilded 12 Days of Christmas unboxing. I am going to do this day by day, although this is all going to be in one video. So let's start off and move everything out of the way. And let's open up number one. Let's zoom in a little bit more. So I am recording this on my new microphone. It probably is not new by the time you see this video. So number one, I can tell you now, I reckon is Bose, and it's 10mm and a 15mm. Question is, am I going to try and save these junipers? The life old question. You know what, I am. I'm not going to try and save them on camera. I'm going to cut them open. And, ooh, that's pretty. So number one actually matches the bag. Is this floral bow with a turquoise background. So this looks like the same bow she's done in a few colours. Irene from Simply Gilded has done in a few colours. But yeah, it matches this here. I will try and do a swatch of all of the washies for the end of the video and show you them all. So yeah, that is day one. I'll see you tomorrow. I am actually, just so you know, I am doing this on the, today is the 4th of January onwards, because I only got this yesterday on the 3rd of January. International Postal, it sucks. But anyway, see you tomorrow. Okay, so we are back with day two, which is this pink shiny thing. It feels like a thin washi, either I think a 10mm. Again, I'm trying to save the junipers, so I'm going to open. I don't know what I've done with my scissors, so I'm very safely using an X-Acto knife. So very safely was sarcastic if you don't know me. Okay, oh, we have a confetti. It looks kind of similar to mint, but in like silver foil, so this is why I couldn't tell whether it was 10 or 5mm, because it is 7.5. And let's just grab out the rest of my confetti collection. Hey boys. That's too many. It would go probably there. So it's kind of similar to the other blues, but more tealy greeny. So yeah. Oh, can't get it back out now. No. There we go. So yeah, that's a nice, another sort of bluey, I think it's silver foil edition. Just to show you yesterday's outside of the plastic, obviously where I've sampled them there, because I don't think the shininess of the packaging gives a very accurate. Sorry, I'm opening the confetti with my off screen, so I can show you out of the packaging. And there is today's sort of tealy green confetti. So yeah, that is day one and two. Okay, so we're back with day three, and I haven't pulled out scissors. Hello hair. You can still see like the weird greeny, I know, not in that bit. You just saw it, the weird greeny colour in my hair. Good. Yeah, just gonna cut this open if I can actually focus. It feels like a notebook or something like that. I suspect it's like some note pages, which we've had before. It says the nice list and has a 1 to 10. I'm not sure how I feel about the colour, it's kind of a weird pink, but it's okay. I'll use it, I'm sure, eventually. Yeah. So yeah, that is day three. Hello again, I'm back with day four, which has this gold foiling on. Do they all have gold foiling on the packets? Probably. I haven't really been paying that much attention to that. Just a quick glance, have they? Yes. Yeah. And the packaging is all gold foil today. But it's this plain white, and it feels like a magnet or something. So yes, indeed, it is a washi magnet, which I suspect I will give away because I won't use it. But that's fine. I knew there would be non-washi items in here that I wasn't necessarily going to use. So whatevs. So that is day four. Okay, so we're on to day five, and it feels like some more bows. I didn't pull. There they are. I did pull out the scissors. Just going to film this quickly. Ooh, they look kind of periwinkly, but like a deeper purple. let me just open these up and compare them to my other purples. Okay, so these are the two new purples, and they have a champagne gold foil by the look of it. My other purple washies are split in two. I don't know what's missing from that gap. Oh no, something's missing there. I don't know what. That's the other half. But actually, that's not like any of those really. It's kind of similar-ish to the periwinkle. The other place I keep bows is in this one, which is my it's kind of, again, it's not the same as the lavender, so it is its own completely different purple, so that's exciting. And there we go. I'll have them swatched by tomorrow's video. And we are back on the 6th, and was I going to, did I say this? Am I making things up now? I think I was going to show you that laid down washi. I'll show you all of these at the end, but yeah, that's the washies we've got so far. So this does not feel like a washi, this feels like something else. And I've managed to save these stickers with some sticky stuff from Remover. This feels like a charm or something like that. And it is. It's this like pale pink velvet clip and charm. I don't know whether I'll use those, I'm not a big pink person, but maybe I will. So yeah, that's day 6's item. Okay, so we're back with day 7, and god, my hands are massive in that. I hadn't pulled out the scissors again, but I've got them now. So, ooh. Okay, so it's swan washi. Bring it right up close. Ooh, so it's like a pale pink swan washi with gold foil. I'm not going to open it because I don't think I'm going to use it, so I'll probably sell it. Not going to lie, not my favourite, so I'm going to leave that in packaging. But that is day 7. Okay, so we are back with day 8, and I'm just pulling out my scissors. I'm going to cut this open. This feels like a skinny washi. Either a 5 or an 8mm, not sure which. Oh, it's an 8mm, and that is pretty. It is white vines with silver foil, and this one we will open up straight away to show you a bit closer. So there we go, it is white with silver foil, and that is super pretty. And that is day 8, and I will swatch it and show you tomorrow what it looks like swatched. Okay, so we are back with day 9, and this feels like a 15mm washi. And I'm a bit nervous for this because people have said it's their favourite, so... Oh, okay, kind of understand why now. Wow. Oh, okay. So this washi alone makes this whole box worth getting for me, because this is basically my favourite colours on my favourite ever Simply Gilded design. So yeah, I'll take that. That is just wow. I wonder whether there are variations. I might have to have a gander. But yeah, that's stunning. So, day 9 definitely lived up to its hype. Okay, so we are back with day 10. So let's get this straight opened up. After yesterday's excitement, I don't know like how to feel. But this is also a 15mm washi. Oh no, it's not. It's 3 5mm washies. They are gold foiled. So there looks to be like a greeny colour, like slightly darker than pink, and a creamy white. Let's open these straight up because I keep all 5mm because I love the 5mm washi, particularly in my bullet journal. Sorry if you can hear some background noise at the moment, there is some going on. They are the 3 colours. It's like a greeny blue, a pinky pink, and a white. Cool. So you'll see everything swatched at the end, but camera focus please. But yeah, so that's today's. Okay, so here we are with the last 2 days. I'm actually going to do these 2 days together because 12 is not washi and I'm not that excited about non-washi. So I'm going to open 12 first and then 11. And because I'm super late and open this, I don't even care that I'm not opening it a day at a time because let's face it, it's the 20th of January. This should have finished more than 12 days ago. So it is this keyring, and that's fully what I expected it to be, which is partly why I opened it, because I thought it probably was this keyring. I've seen it around a fair bit and it's never been released, so too many people had it for it not to be in the advent box. I mean, I'll probably keep it just because it will make a good photo prop and I collect keyrings, so I'll probably keep it, but I might not, we'll see. And the last thing is a washi, and this was day 11. And again, I'm going to tip it out, and I've got my eyes shut at the moment, and let's open my eyes for the final reveal. Ooh, that's pretty. So it's like a bright pink with silver hollow foil bows. And I will probably be keeping this. Even though pink is not my favourite colour, I'll probably keep that. And the hollow is real on that. That's pretty. I'll just open it up and show you quickly, and then in a sec to you, it probably won't be today even, for me, I will show you swatches of all of the washi that I've opened. I'm not opening the swans because I'm just not excited about them, so I'm not going to open things I'm not excited about. So there we go, that is the last washi. Simple, but pretty. So, I will just I'm gonna go away for now and I will swatch all of these that I haven't swatched. And yeah. So I need to remember what day everything was though, just for my swatches. I know like 9, 10, 11. But what day was this? Oh, who knows? But anyway, this was all of the washi that came in the kit. Which, you know, I really like those. I really like those. I really like that. I really like that. I kind of like that. And I love 5mm. So, really, the two I'm most disappointed with are those two. But as I said on the 9th, this was worth it. So, yeah. Cool. I will check back in with a swatch in a moment. So we are now the 4th of January, but I finally swatched the rest of the washi. So this is all the washi that came in the box, 4th of February. Here are the swatches. I don't know whether you want to see anything up close, but I'll bring it right up. The good thing about my lights is they give a great foil wiggle. The only one that's not foil wiggling very well is my favourite one, ironically. So yeah, they are the washis. So this was the 12 Days of Christmas from the September pre-sale, and it cost $54. $41 worth of washi there. Was it worth it? I don't know. Would I get it again? Yes, I really enjoyed it. I really like some of the washis. The only two I said I wasn't that keen on are these two, so I'm happy I got it. But yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Comment and like down below if you have. Sorry it's so late. I don't really know when this is going up. It might go up in my... I don't know. But thank you so much for watching. Comment, like down below. Let me know what you think of the box, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!